Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your favorites on the UsedPanda application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it's loaded, and then you should go to your home page and select something that you would like to save for later. Here in the home page you have a bunch of categories such as laptops, PC, mobile, tablets, wearable tech, TV panels, fridges, and so on. If you have found the product that you are interested in, tap on it and click on the heart icon in the upper right corner of the screen to add it to your favorites. So you should click on the My Account button and then tap on the My Favorite section, and here is your product. If you want to remove it from your My Favorite section, tap on this minus icon and it will be removed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.